I actually first heard about TEC through my sister. She was a class of 2023, and she never had anything negative to say. It was always she had so much fun learning about it, and some of my friends were interested in it, so that really got me thinking about my future. When going into culinary, you get what's called a ServSafe Certification, and that's something that is really good for your portfolios, especially when going straight into college, you need some sort of job. So fast food is something that most people look at. And so when having a portfolio that has a ServSafe certification, it makes you separate the good from the great. And it really makes you a diverse candidate for the job.
My name is Savannah Willis, and I am TEC Culinary Arts.